the right side the noise is coming from.
I should have checked that. Oh well. Yeah, I moved it up to the front to see what it would feel like. I guess I should have stuck it in the middle. Yeah, I need to beef up where the battery straps hook so I can tighten stuff down more.
What do you think, Jake?
That was super cool. Super cool. Well, it's always a fail, but... Is it strong enough to do that?
If you can break it in the air, that'll be awesome. So go ahead and try it. Testing is the point.
Okay. That's what stalls. It's pretty strong.
How often are you told that, Jake?
Yeah. Break it if you can.
Get reckless!
A 4-cell battery.
There we go.
I've got some with me. If no one's too cold to go for another flight.
I'll go another find this one. It's fun. Guess the elevator's off because you have the elf on.
Yeah, I like having a lot of control authority, no matter what plane I'm flying.
Oh, for sure.
You can always soften it up.
Yep.
What have we done yet? Oh, differential. Yeah, let's put differential.
It's not that terrifying.
That thing shouldn't be hovering. That's hilarious.
That was so wrong on so many levels. That is cool.
There we go.
Ridiculous.
That is cool. We'll do that.
There it is.
Pretty good estimate.
No, it was. I think it was.
Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, some.